Hello everybody, how are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue reading. Here we go. Open your book to page 46, reading lesson 3. Okay, remember about our friend Ferret? Yes? Yes? We remember we were seeing about this trip to the moon. Okay, yes? Okay. Now today we are going to finish with our story. So please pay attention, listen carefully to the story and follow with your finger. Okay? Here we go.
When our capsule was recovered from the ocean and we were on the deck of the aircraft carrier Hornet, I spied my mother peeking out among all those feet on deck. When I rushed up to her, she reached into her purse and pulled out huge wedges of Swiss, provolone, Gouda, Limburger, Blue, Jack, and cheddar cheese. It is so good to be home. Sometimes it is hard to believe that I, Aloysius I. Quiso-Queso, was the first ferret to walk on the moon. But there it is on our fireplace mantelpiece, a picture of Commander Armstrong walking on the moon. And sure enough, it is my brown tail with its black tip poking out from behind Neil's enormous lunar overshoe.
Okay, excellent. Now it's time to check for understanding. Okay, who came to welcome the little ferret home? Okay, it was his mother. Okay, excellent. And what was she hiding in her purse? Okay, according to the ferret says that she reached into her purse and pulled out huge wedges of Swiss, provolone, Gouda, Limburger, Blue Jack, and cheddar cheese. Excellent. He took an opportunity. Okay. And we are going to check our grammar. Okay. Write three verbs in different tenses that you see on this page and label their tenses. Okay. And if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. Okay. And remember, you can do it. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.